name's Oscar. I'm with Spark Construction. I'm an asphalt shingle technician. Today's August 7th, about 90 degrees outside. I'm at claim number 803-328-0704. As you guys can see, we're gonna be completing another repair today. We're gonna underline the shingle that is damaged. Pitch gauge again. About a 6 on this side. Back side more dangerous. So this is the shingle we're repairing. Once again, can I see the phone, please? All right. We're gonna repair this shingle right here. I'm at claim number 083-328-0704. Today's August 7th, about 90 degrees outside. I'm on the front side now. I'm gonna go ahead and give the recording device back to Corey so he can record me doing this repair. Once again, I have to let go of nail zone 1, nail zone 2. I have to determine if this shingle goes that way or this shingle goes this way. So we're gonna go ahead and use our tool. We're gonna open up right here. Nope. Open up right here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. So we gotta go this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay. So shingle goes this way. So to replace this one, I gotta take out this whole tab. All right, I'm gonna go start by taking out the first nail. So we got the first nail zone out. We gotta get the second nail zone. I'm gonna try and go a little fast because it's gonna rain right now. 1. 2. The reason I hold the tab at the top so I don't manipulate it, it helps, you know, be precautious with the top one. Like I said, in order to release a nail, because they're applied with pressure, I have to apply pressure back to release it. And then hopefully this is our last one. Alright, you guys can hear all the granules, everything that's coming out. If we get this correct, this will come out. If we didn't, it won't. Oh, there we go. I focus more on the sizing versus the color. It's very hard to find matching shingles, considering this shingle was probably made 15 years ago. You'll never find a match, so I focus on sizes. All right, so once again, the new shingle is a little bit smaller, but it's okay. We can still conduct this repair. I'm gonna go ahead and gently put it in. Okay, got it. I'm gonna go ahead and start nailing back our nail zones. Okay. One. We're gonna do our top nail zone. One. Two. Last one. Four. All right, we got all of our new nails back in. The new repair is done, the repair is finished. I'm gonna go ahead and underline what occurred, take some after photos of both sides, so you guys can see when we replaced this one, we had to let go of nozzle number 1, nozzle number 2, and everything that occurred. Thank you. All right.